let's do triple integrals quick.
Is it quick?
Yeah, it is quick.
Is it 22 minutes quick?
No, it is quicker than 22 minutes.
Sweet, let's do it.
Okay,
Go.
here's the idea. I want to integrate over some region, some function of several, like maybe 3 variables, the volume, right? Okay, so what am I thinking?
You're thinking dy, dx, and dz.
Okay, so there's a x, y, and z, right? And so like out here, right, something I might be interested in is what's the total number of mosquitoes in the meadow, right? And so my function that I'm integrating is like density of mosquitoes at x, y, z point, right? And then I want to add up all the x, y, z points and how many mosquitoes there are in the meadow, and that'll give me this kind of total mosquito numbers.
And after
And so density is R.
that's omega.
Density's the function,
Okay.
right? So your function value, the thing you're going to integrate is that number of mosquito or density of mosquitoes.
Okay.
So that'd be number of mosquitoes per cubic meter,
Okay.
right? And then the omega is the region I'm integrating over.
Okay.
So like looking around the meadow, I might think, okay, I really only care about right in here, and maybe it's a big half sphere. You guys all see that? Or I care about around me. Right? So
Yeah, like before class or after class, it's definitely less mosquitoes. No.
yeah, so this function, my density function, is clearly a function of more variables, right? So I might do during class, and then I would add another t variable, right? And I would integrate also with respect to time. But the thing I really want to give you guys is just this, like, okay, what's going on? Well, there's some x interval from a to b, right?
Yeah.
There's some y interval from c to d, and some z interval from crap. Those variables are good for other things.
M and N.
M to n.
Okay, so what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about there's a little square down here, right? That's my a, b, c, d, and then I'm talking about that little square up here.
In the height. Okay.
Right, so I've got this little cube chilling in the air, right?
Yeah, it's Minecraft all over again.
So, if this was my xy, right? Here's my a, b, c, d cube, or square. And then I'm talking about some z values. So a little cube stuck out of the board. Cool? Alright. And then all we're going to do is add up, right? So what does this amount to? Well, one way to do this, right, would be to pick an order of integration. So what's your favorite order of x, y, and z? X, Y, and Z, probably. So I'd do the triple integral of f of x, y, and z, right? dx, dy, dz. Okay, where do the x's start?
The integral. The innermost one.
Yeah, so the x's should be on this one. And the x's range between, for my example, a to b. The y's range between
C to D.
c to d, and the z's range between
M and
m and n.
So
How do you do switching order?
Switching well, you just switch the order of the or
Yeah, you just switch the order the same way you did with 2 variables, right?
pretty much
When is it true that you can switch the order?
all the time.
You can't like integrate.
Pretty much all the time,
Mostly
right?
all the time.
When things are reasonable. Cool?
Can you have,
Yeah, I know.
like for the x1, the a to b,
Yep.
can there be y's and z's in there?
Okay, so this is a good question. Let me